Hi everyone and welcome back to another simple app tutor video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post a GIF on a Threads post. So if you want to reply to someone on Threads using some cool GIFs, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. This process works on both iPhone and Android devices, so just follow my steps. The first step that we have to do in order to post GIFs is to open our App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for the Google Keyboard or the Gboard or any other GIF keyboard. I don't have the Gboard, so I will use this application right here. This will give me access to a keyboard that is full of little GIFs. When you install it on your device, we have to go to our settings and add this new keyboard to our other keyboards. So find your keyboard option on Android and add the keyboard. But if you are on iPhone, then open your settings and go to the General section. Then Keyboard. Open the keyboards at the top. And simply add a new keyboard by clicking here. Now when we open Threads and try to add a GIF as a reply or comment, it says that we have to give the keyboard full access. So tap on this. Then go to Settings. Open the Keyboard section, and enable this to give this new keyboard full access. Now when we open Threads, we will be able to post GIFs on any thread we want. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.